The National Institute of Fashion Technology has declared the Nift written test result for B.Des, BF Tech, M.Des, MFM and MF Tech on March 17 on its official website nift.ac.in. The institute has announced the Nift result 2021 in the form of a scorecard which the candidate can download from the admission portal by entering the required login credentials. Career 360 brings you the steps to take the Nift 2021 result. Visit the official website, that is nift.ac.in. Click on the Admissions tab, then click on the Result for Written Exam tab. Now enter the login credential, that is roll number, date of birth, application number, and then click on the Submit button. Nift 2021 result will be displayed on the screen. Now download the Nift result and take the printout of the same. Details mentioned in the Nift scorecard: candidate's name, roll number, application number, category, program, marks obtained. What after the Nift result 2021? The shortlisted candidates after the Nift written test will be called for Nift situation test, which will be conducted in April or May. The National Institute of Fashion Technology will soon open the online registration portal for Nift 2021 situation test on its official website nift.ac.in. The qualified candidates can register for the Nift situation test by providing the required details.